Good morning. Thank you for calling the Grand Palm Hotel. This is Zara speaking. How can I help you today?
Hi. Good morning. My name is James Wilson. I'd like to book a room at your hotel, please.
Of course, Mr. Wilson. I'd be happy to assist you with that. May I know the check-in and check-out dates, please?
Sure. I'm planning to check in on July 10th and check out on July 15th.
All right, so that's a 5-night stay. Let me check our availability. Yes, we do have several rooms available for those dates. Would you prefer a single room, double room, or a suite?
I think I'd like a double room, preferably with a nice view.
We have deluxe double rooms with a city view or a garden view. The garden view is very peaceful and it's quite popular with our guests.
Garden view sounds lovely. Is breakfast included?
Yes, all our room rates include a complimentary breakfast buffet, served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. You can enjoy fresh fruit, hot dishes, pastries, juices, and coffee.
Great. What's the price for the deluxe double room with a garden view?
It's $120 per night, including all taxes and fees. So for 5 nights, the total will be $600.
Okay, that's reasonable. Do the rooms have Wi-Fi and air conditioning?
Absolutely. All our rooms come with free high-speed Wi-Fi, air conditioning, a mini fridge, a smart TV, and a private bathroom. Plus, we offer room service 24 hours a day.
Sounds perfect. I'll go ahead and book that room.
Wonderful. Before I confirm your reservation, I'll need some information. May I have your full name again, please?
Sure. It's James Wilson.
Thank you, Mr. Wilson. Could you also provide a contact phone number and an email address?
Yes. My phone number is +1, and my email is email.com.
Got it. And how will you be paying for your stay? We accept credit cards, debit cards, and online payment options like PayPal.
I'll pay with my Visa credit card.
All right. For security, I won't ask for your card details over the phone. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly with a secure link to enter your payment information.
That works for me. Thanks.
Would you like to add any special requests to your booking? For example, a late check-in, extra pillows, or perhaps an airport pickup?
Actually, yes. My flight lands late around 10 p.m., so I'll probably arrive at the hotel by 11. Can I still check in that late?
No problem at all. Our front desk is open 24/7, and we'll make a note of your late arrival. And would you like airport pickup?
Yes, please. That would be great. How much does it cost?
Airport pickup is $30, and we can have a driver waiting for you at the arrival gate with a sign.
Perfect. Please add that.
Done. Anything else we can prepare for you?
Yes, could I please request a non-smoking room and a king-size bed?
Absolutely. All our rooms are non-smoking, and I've selected one with a king-size bed as requested.
Awesome. Is there a gym or swimming pool at the hotel?
Yes, we have both. Our fitness center is open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m., and the outdoor pool is open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. We also have a spa if you're interested in booking a massage or treatment.
I might do that. I'll ask at the front desk when I arrive.
Sounds good. So just to confirm, Mr. Wilson, check-in July 10th, check-out July 15th. Deluxe double room with a garden view. Total cost, $600 for 5 nights. Airport pickup on arrival day, late check-in at around 11 p.m., king-size bed, non-smoking room, and a confirmation email will be sent to you shortly.
Yes, that's all correct. Thank you, Zara. You've been very helpful.
It's my pleasure, Mr. Wilson. We look forward to welcoming you to the Grand Palm Hotel. If you need anything before your arrival, just give us a call or reply to the email.
Will do. Have a great day.
You too. Safe travels and see you in July. Reservation, booking, an arrangement to save a room in advance. Check-in, the process of arriving and registering at the hotel. Check-out, the process of leaving and returning the room key. Single room, a hotel room for 1 person. Double room, a hotel room for 2 people. Suite, a large expensive hotel room with extra space and features. View, what you can see from the window. Garden view, sea view, city view. Complimentary, free of charge. Buffet, a self-serve meal with many choices. Amenities, extra features in a hotel, Wi-Fi, pool, gym, etc. Wi-Fi, wireless internet connection, air conditioning, a system to cool the room. Mini fridge, a small refrigerator in the room. Smart TV, a television with internet features. Private bathroom, a bathroom only for you inside your hotel room. Room service, food or drinks brought to your room. Total cost, the full amount to be paid. Credit card, debit card. Ways to pay? Secure link, a safe online method to enter payment details. Special request, extra services or conditions a guest asks for. Late check-in, arriving at the hotel after normal hours. Airport pickup, a car from the hotel to pick you up at the airport. Non-smoking room, a room where smoking is not allowed. King-sized bed, a very large bed, bigger than double. Front desk, reception, the main office at the hotel where guests check in. Spa, a place in the hotel for massage and beauty treatments. Confirmation email sent to confirm your reservation. Safe travels, a polite way to say have a good trip.